The frilled-neck lizard, scientifically known as Chlamydosaurus kingi, is one of the most fascinating reptiles in the world. Found predominantly in northern Australia and parts of Papua New Guinea, this remarkable creature is known for its dramatic frill, which it displays when threatened. The lizard's frill is a large, colorful fold of skin that encircles its neck and head, giving it a striking and intimidating appearance. When unfurled, the frill makes the lizard look much larger than it is, deterring predators and asserting dominance. This unique adaptation has earned the frilled-necked lizard a significant place in the animal kingdom. Besides its impressive frill, the lizard is also renowned for its agility, often sprinting on two legs when escaping predators. Its diet primarily consists of insects, although it occasionally consumes smaller reptiles and plants. The frilled-neck lizard is a symbol of adaptability and survival, embodying nature's creativity in the face of environmental challenges. Throughout this script, we will explore the lizard's habitat, behavior, physical characteristics, and ecological importance. We will also delve into its evolutionary history, the myths surrounding it, and its role in popular culture. This deep dive into the world of the frilled-neck lizard will reveal the many reasons why this species deserves our admiration and protection. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or simply curious about the natural world, the frilled-neck lizard offers a compelling glimpse into the wonders of evolution and survival.
The frilled-neck lizard primarily inhabits the warm tropical and subtropical woodlands of northern Australia and southern Papua New Guinea. These regions provide the ideal climate and resources for the lizard to thrive. Typically found in areas with dense tree cover, the lizard spends much of its time perched on branches, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. The frilled-necked lizard's arboreal lifestyle is a key adaptation that helps it evade predators and hunt effectively. These woodlands are often characterized by a mix of eucalyptus trees, shrubs, and grassy patches, which serve as an excellent camouflage for the lizard. While it primarily resides in trees, the frilled-neck lizard is also known to venture onto the forest floor, particularly when hunting or searching for a mate. Its ability to thrive in a range of microhabitats demonstrates its versatility and adaptability to environmental changes. During the rainy season, these areas are lush and teeming with life, providing the lizard with abundant food sources such as insects, spiders, and other small prey. In the dry season, however, the lizard faces challenges such as reduced prey availability and higher temperatures. To cope, it relies on its ability to conserve energy and regulate its body temperature. The lizard's frill, which plays a defensive role, also aids in thermoregulation by dissipating heat when extended. This remarkable adaptability to seasonal changes underscores the frilled-neck lizard's resilience and resourcefulness in its natural habitat.
The frilled-neck lizard is a medium-sized reptile, typically measuring 70 to 90 centimeters in length, including its tail. Its most distinctive feature, the frill, is a circular membrane of skin that surrounds its neck and is supported by long cartilaginous spines. When relaxed, the frill lies folded against the lizard's body, blending in with its earthy brown and gray tones. However, when threatened or displayed, the frill unfurls to reveal vibrant hues of orange, yellow, and red. These striking colors serve as a warning to potential predators, signaling that the lizard is not an easy target. The lizard's body is covered in rough, scaly skin that provides excellent protection and camouflage in its natural environment. Its coloration varies depending on its surroundings, a feature that enhances its ability to remain hidden from predators. The frilled-necked lizard's long, slender legs and sharp claws make it an agile climber and an effective hunter. Its tail, which is almost as long as its body, serves as a counterbalance when it runs or climbs. One of the most fascinating aspects of the frilled-necked lizard's anatomy is its ability to stand and run on its hind legs. This bipedal sprinting ability is not only a means of escape, but also a way to intimidate predators by appearing larger and more formidable. Overall, the lizard's physical characteristics are a testament to its evolutionary ingenuity and survival strategies.
The frill of the frilled-neck lizard is one of nature's most ingenious adaptations. When threatened, the lizard opens its mouth wide and unfurls its frill to create an intimidating display. This sudden and dramatic transformation is often enough to startle predators, giving the lizard a chance to escape. The frill is supported by elongated hyoid bones, which allow it to expand quickly and efficiently. Beyond its defensive function, the frill also plays a role in communication and mating displays. Male frilled-neck lizards use their frills to establish dominance and attract females during the breeding season. The vibrant colors of the frill are an indicator of the lizard's health and vitality, with brighter hues signaling a stronger and more fit individual. Interestingly, the frill is also involved in thermoregulation. By expanding the frill, the lizard can dissipate excess heat, helping it maintain an optimal body temperature in its warm, tropical habitat. This multifunctional adaptation highlights the evolutionary ingenuity of the frilled-neck lizard. Scientists have long been fascinated by the frill's role in the lizard's survival and have studied its structure and function extensively. Understanding this unique feature provides insight into the lizard's behavior, ecology, and evolutionary history. The frill is not just a physical attribute but a symbol of the lizard's adaptability and resourcefulness in the face of environmental challenges.
The frilled-neck lizard is an insectivore, with its diet consisting predominantly of insects and other small invertebrates. Grasshoppers, beetles, ants, and spiders make up a significant portion of its meals. This diet is well suited to its arboreal lifestyle, as insects are abundant in the trees and foliage where the lizard resides. However, the frilled-neck lizard is not exclusively limited to invertebrates. It occasionally preys on small vertebrates like frogs and other lizards. Hunting is a stealthy and calculated process for the frilled-necked lizard. Using its excellent camouflage, it remains motionless and blends into its surroundings, waiting for unsuspecting prey to approach. Once the target is within reach, the lizard strikes with incredible speed, capturing its meal with its sticky, muscular tongue. This ambush strategy minimizes energy expenditure, which is crucial for survival in environments where food availability can fluctuate. Interestingly, the frilled-neck lizard's frill is also thought to play a minor role in foraging. By displaying its frill, the lizard may scare off competitors or attract insects that mistake the frill's colors for flowers or fruit. The lizard's ability to adapt its feeding habits based on environmental conditions demonstrates its resourcefulness and resilience. During the dry season, when prey is scarce, the frilled-neck lizard can survive for extended periods without food by slowing its metabolism and conserving energy. This ability to endure harsh conditions further underscores the lizard's adaptability and its remarkable survival strategies in the wild.
The frilled-neck lizard has a fascinating reproductive cycle that is closely tied to its environment. Breeding typically occurs during the wet season, when food is plentiful and conditions are optimal for raising offspring. Male frilled-neck lizards are highly territorial during this period, using their frills and physical displays to assert dominance and attract females. Courtship begins with the male displaying his frill and performing a series of head bobs and body movements to catch the female's attention. The brighter and more vibrant the male's frill, the more likely he is to attract a mate. This display is not only a testament to the male's fitness, but also an indicator of his genetic quality. Once mating occurs, the female lays a clutch of 8 to 23 eggs in a burrow she digs in sandy or loose soil. The location of the nest is carefully chosen to ensure that the eggs remain safe from predators and environmental extremes. The eggs incubate for about 8 to 12 weeks, with the temperature of the environment playing a crucial role in determining the hatching time. When the eggs hatch, the baby lizards are fully independent and must fend for themselves from the moment they emerge. Despite their small size, these hatchlings are equipped with the same survival adaptations as their parents, including the ability to display their frills and run on 2 legs. The frilled-necked lizard's reproductive strategies highlight its resilience and ability to thrive in its challenging environment.
One of the most captivating behaviors of the frilled-neck lizard is its ability to run on two legs, a trait known as bipedal locomotion. When faced with a threat, the lizard rises on its hind legs and sprints away at remarkable speeds, often covering several meters in a matter of seconds. This bipedal movement not only allows the lizard to escape predators quickly, but also gives it an intimidating appearance by making it seem larger and more formidable. The mechanics of this movement are fascinating. The lizard's long tail acts as a counterbalance, providing stability as it runs. Its powerful hind legs, equipped with sharp claws, enable it to gain traction and maintain speed on various terrains. This unique form of locomotion is an excellent example of how the frilled-neck lizard has evolved to adapt to its environment and avoid predation. Scientists believe that this bipedal behavior evolved as a survival mechanism, particularly in open environments, where the lizard is more vulnerable to predators. By standing upright, the lizard can also better survey its surroundings and identify potential threats. Interestingly, the frilled-neck lizard does not use bipedal locomotion exclusively for escape. In some cases, it employs this behavior during territorial disputes or when chasing prey. This dual-purpose adaptation demonstrates the lizard's versatility and ability to modify its behavior based on situational needs. The frilled-neck lizard's bipedal locomotion is yet another testament to its remarkable evolutionary ingenuity.
Frilled-neck lizard is a master of disguise, relying heavily on its ability to blend into its surroundings for survival. Its scaly skin is mottled with earthy hues of brown, gray, and green, which perfectly mimic the bark and foliage of its habitat. This natural camouflage is its primary line of defense, enabling the lizard to remain undetected by predators such as snakes, birds of prey, and larger reptiles. When threatened, the frill-neck lizard employs a sequence of defensive tactics. Initially, it remains motionless, relying on its camouflage to avoid detection. If the threat persists, it unfurls its iconic frill and opens its mouth wide to display its vibrant inner colors. This startling display often appear larger and more intimidating. If this tactic fails, the lizard resorts to bipedal locomotion, sprinting away to safety. Beyond its physical adaptations, the frilled-neck lizard also exhibits behavioral strategies that enhance its survival. It tends to remain in areas with dense tree cover, where it can quickly climb to escape ground-based predators. Additionally, its ability to remain motionless for long periods minimizes its visibility to predators. The lizard's survival strategies are not limited to avoiding predation. During harsh conditions, such as droughts, the lizard slows its metabolism and reduces activity to conserve energy and water. This ability to adapt to both immediate threats and long-term environmental challenges underscores the resilience of the frilled-neck lizard in its natural habitat.
The frilled-neck lizard plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem. As an insectivore, it helps regulate insect populations, preventing overpopulation and the potential damage insects could cause to vegetation. By feeding on a variety of invertebrates, the lizard contributes to the ecological health of its habitat, ensuring that insect numbers remain in check. In turn, the frilled-neck lizard serves as prey for larger predators, such as raptors, snakes, and carnivorous mammals. This position within the food chain highlights the lizard's importance as both a predator and prey species. Its presence supports the biodiversity of its ecosystem, creating a balanced network of interdependent species. The lizard's frill display also indirectly benefits the ecosystem by deterring predators. Predators who are intimidated by the lizard's frill are less likely to overhunt small reptiles, allowing other species to thrive. This dynamic contributes to the overall stability of the ecosystem. Furthermore, frilled-neck lizards are indicators of environmental health. Their sensitivity to changes in temperature, humidity, and food availability makes them valuable for monitoring the impact of climate change and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts focused on protecting frilled-neck lizards also benefit the broader ecosystem, safeguarding the diverse flora and fauna that share their habitat. Through its ecological roles and interactions, the frilled-neck lizard demonstrates the interconnectedness of all species within an ecosystem, emphasizing the importance of biodiversity and conservation.
Seasonal changes pose significant challenges to the frilled-neck lizard, but its remarkable adaptations enable it to thrive year-round. During the wet season, when food is abundant, the lizard is highly active, hunting insects and preparing for the breeding season. Its increased activity during this time allows it to build up energy reserves for the drier months ahead. In contrast, the dry season brings scarcity and higher temperatures, requiring the lizard to conserve resources. One of its key strategies is reducing activity levels to minimize energy expenditure. The lizard also utilizes shaded areas and its frill for thermoregulation, dissipating heat and maintaining a stable body temperature. Water conservation is another critical adaptation. The frilled-neck lizard obtains most of its water from its prey and morning dew, reducing its dependence on standing water sources. Its ability to survive on minimal water intake is essential for enduring the arid conditions of the dry season. Reproduction is carefully timed to align with seasonal changes. Eggs are laid during the wet season, ensuring that hatchlings emerge when food and water are plentiful. This synchronization maximizes the survival chances of the next generation. The lizard's ability to adapt its behavior and physiology to seasonal fluctuations highlights its resilience and evolutionary success. These adaptations not only ensure the survival of individual lizards, but also contribute to the stability and continuity of their populations in dynamic and often harsh environments.
The reproductive behavior of the frilled-neck lizard is as fascinating as its frill display. Mating typically occurs during the wet season when food is abundant, providing optimal conditions for supporting offspring. Male lizards often engage in dramatic displays to attract females, including frill expansion and body posturing. These displays not only demonstrate their physical fitness, but also their genetic suitability as mates. After successful mating, the female lays her eggs in a shallow nest she digs in sandy or soft soil. Clutches usually consist of 6 to 25 eggs, depending on the female's size and overall health. The eggs are left to incubate naturally, relying on the warmth of the environment. Interestingly, the temperature of the soil can influence the sex of the hatchlings, a phenomenon known as temperature-dependent sex determination. Hatchlings emerge after approximately 2 to 3 months, fully independent and equipped with the same survival instincts as their parents. From the moment they hatch, the young lizards are capable of climbing trees, hunting small insects, and displaying their frills to deter threats. The survival rate of hatchlings is relatively low due to predation, but those that survive grow rapidly, reaching sexual maturity within 1 to 2 years. The life cycle of the frilled-neck lizard underscores its resilience and adaptability, ensuring the continuation of its species in a challenging environment.
The frill of the frilled-neck lizard is not just a defensive tool, it is a complex structure with multiple functions. The frill is made of cartilage and supported by long, flexible spines that are connected to the lizard's jaw. When threatened, muscles in the neck contract, causing the frill to expand outward in a dramatic display. The frill is lined with bright orange, yellow, or red markings which are revealed during the display. These vibrant colors are intended to startle and intimidate predators or rivals. The sudden expansion of the frill also creates the illusion of a larger size, deterring potential threats. Beyond defense, the frill plays a role in thermoregulation. By expanding the frill, the lizard can dissipate excess heat in hot environments, helping to maintain its body temperature. Additionally, the frill may serve a role in communication, particularly during mating rituals or territorial disputes. Scientists continue to study the frill to uncover more about its evolutionary significance. Its multifunctional nature highlights the adaptability of the frilled-neck lizard and its ability to thrive in diverse environments.
The frilled-neck lizard has captured the imagination of people worldwide, becoming a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Its unique appearance and behaviors have made it a favorite subject in documentaries, children's books, and even animated films. The dramatic frill display often serves as a visual shorthand for the exotic and extraordinary in media representation. In Australia, the frilled-neck lizard is celebrated as a national icon. It has appeared on stamps, coins, and even as a mascot for events and organizations. Its distinctive look and charismatic behavior make it a popular choice for raising awareness about wildlife conservation. The lizard's fame extends beyond its native habitat, inspiring interest in reptiles and ecology globally. Zoos and wildlife parks often feature the frilled-neck lizard in their exhibits, educating visitors about its role in the ecosystem and the importance of preserving its habitat. Despite its popularity, the frilled-neck lizard remains a reminder of the fragility of natural ecosystems. Its presence in popular culture serves as a call to action for conservation efforts, ensuring that this remarkable species continues to thrive in the wild.
While the frilled-neck lizard is not currently listed as endangered, it faces several threats that could impact its populations in the future. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urban development is a significant concern, as it reduces the availability of suitable environments for the lizard to live and hunt. Climate change poses another challenge, altering the temperature and humidity levels of the lizard's habitat. These changes can affect its ability to thermoregulate, find food, and reproduce successfully. Additionally, increased human activity in its natural range exposes the lizard to risks such as road mortality and capture for the pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to safeguarding the frill-neck lizard's future. Protecting its habitat through sustainable land use practices and establishing wildlife corridors can help ensure its survival. Public education campaigns that highlight the importance of biodiversity can also contribute to conservation efforts by fostering a greater appreciation for species like the frill-neck lizard. The frilled-neck lizard's story underscores the importance of proactive conservation measures, not only for individual species, but for the ecosystems they inhabit.
The frilled-neck lizard faces an uncertain future in the face of environmental challenges, but its adaptability gives hope for its continued survival. Efforts to study and understand this species better can lead to improved conservation strategies, ensuring its resilience in changing environments. Advancements in technology, such as satellite monitoring and environmental DNA analysis, are providing new ways to track and protect wildlife populations. These tools can help scientists identify critical habitats, monitor population trends, and detect early signs of environmental stress. Community involvement is also vital. Indigenous knowledge combined with scientific research can offer unique insights into the lizard's behavior and habitat needs. Collaborative conservation initiatives that involve local communities, governments, and organizations can create sustainable solutions to protect the frilled-neck lizard and its environment. As an ambassador for Australia's unique biodiversity, the frilled-neck lizard symbolizes the importance of preserving the natural world. Its story inspires action and reminds us of our responsibility to protect the incredible diversity of life on Earth.
The frilled-neck lizard is more than just a unique reptile. It is a symbol of survival and adaptability in the natural world. From its striking frill to its vital role in ecosystems, this species exemplifies the wonders of evolution and the interconnectedness of life. By protecting the frilled-neck lizard and its habitat, we ensure that future generations can marvel at its beauty and learn from its story. Conservation is not just about saving individual species. It is about preserving the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.
If you're passionate about wildlife, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and comment below your favorite animal. Share with your animal-loving friends, and let's spread the love for nature.